It's what they call a Friesian. She's a Norwegian horse. Very expensive.
You're really friendly.
Welcome to Australia! About 9 minutes away from Victor Harbor, we found a little hidden gem. A cozy farm stay surrounded by rolling hills, fresh air, and the sound of nature. Sabi kasi, pagdating daw sa main gate turn left.
Immediately left, sabi. Guys, malipan kami ng likod. Yun pa pala.
Balik kami guys. Buksan natin to. Pwede? Ito pa lang. Kasi turn left ka kaagad eh. Dito pa lang kami sa aming
Your destination is on the left.
Pwede raw mag-park?
Yes. Oo. Pwede daw mag-park opposite. Yes. Yes. I don't know.
Ito siguro.
Oh, ayun doon. Sabi niya sa email. Ayun, sabi niya, you can park opposite the shed. Oh, ito 'yon, 'di ba? Okay, we are finally here. Hindi po sa kwadra ng kawaii yung accommodation namin.
Fortunately, hindi.
Guys, we're finally here sa aming accommodation. Bango. Yung shed namin, simple lang, hindi luxury, pero cozy. May charm siya na parang bahay ng lola mo sa bukid. Walang masyadong gamit, pero ramdam mo yung peace and warmth ng lugar. Lumabas muna kami ni Ren para bumili ng pagkain namin ngayong gabi hanggang bukas ng umaga. Kasi wala namang malulutuan doon. Meron doon, may fridge, may microwave, may ihawan. Pero dapat kami mag-ihaw. And kesa kumain kami sa restaurant, bili na lang kami ng pagkain dito sa Coles na pwedeng i-microwave para mas tipid. Guys, ang laki ng Coles nila dito. Ang lawak. When we got back from Coles, the sun was starting to set. We just walked around, surrounded by animals and the golden hills. The sky slowly turned into shades of orange, and everything felt still. In moments like these, you realize happiness doesn't always mean having more. Sometimes it's about slowing down, appreciating what's in front of you, and feeling grateful for how far you've come. We're waiting for the sun to set. Those are my neighbors, guys. And them as well. You can see those alpaca and sheep. Sila ang aming kapitbahay dito. And our shed is right there.
His mother rejected him.
Yeah.
You can pet him.
Come on, you can pet. Yo, Georgia.
That's the thing about them, right? If the mother rejected them,
Yeah,
Well,
this is it. They
future,
were hand raised.
This one's very
there's
tame.
nothing you can do about it. You can just raise it. Hey,
You're a big boy.
you're really friendly.
Hello.
Yeah, she loves the boy. You're so nice.
Oh, look
And
at
this one
them.
over here is Lottie.
Ah,
It's
the
the
one.
only female in there.
Ah, yeah.
She was born on my birthday.
Okay.
So, and her mother died.
Oh, sad.
The sheep are all basically hand-tamed.
The color.
Yeah, the sheep.
Very able to.
Hey, Belle.
Abel, if you don't eat the food, you're going to miss out. What's the matter? You're getting tripped in November?
Oh.
Most of the animals here pala sa farm na to ay rescued. And may pony din dito, guys. Yung pony 24 years old na. Yung isa, horse, 20 years old, and then yung nandun 2 years old. Guys, this is the toilet here. Nakabukod sa shed. Composting toilet siya. And the communal fridge is here. Sa ilalim.
Let's have a look. Ready?
Yes. Oh, okay.
Let's see if it's working. Oh, it's perfectly working.
Walang laman.
Yeah.
Can you check the freezer?
Uy, something is in there. Someone's food.
Close mo na. After dinner, we made a little fire beside the shed. Something you can't really do in a typical hotel. That's also the reason why we choose a farm stay instead of a hotel. Both Ren and I grew up in the province, in the farm, so we really miss this kind of life. The smell of firewood, the sound of crickets, the quiet of the night. It felt like home. That night, we sat under the stars with a glass of wine in hand. We talked about our past, the struggles, the things we've overcome, our accomplishments, and our dreams for the future. Sometimes when life gets too busy, we forget to pause and just be thankful. But being here, away from the noise, reminded us of what truly matters. Peace, purpose, and the people we love. Okay ba? Okay ba dito na? Ayos. Hindi ka ba nagsisi na dito tayo nagbuko?
Ganda nga dito.
Nakaka-relax, no? Alam mo, parang bumalik ako sa pagkabata ko. Ganito kami nun sa bukid nila Lola. Hindi kasi nung bata pa lang ako, kami nung kapatid ko. Doon kami nakatira sa bukid, kasama namin si Lolo at Lola. Tapos, ang pinapakinggan ni Lolo at Lola sa gabi, yung Gabi ng Lagi. At saka yung Mr. Romantico. kung alam niyo yun. Mr. Romantico. Yun ang pinapakinggan namin. Tapos ganyan din, may mga sit-sit ng kahoy, pinapapuyan namin. Minsan pag yung mga pinsan ko, gumagawa sila ng ginataan, nilupak, pinipig, mga ganyan. Laking bukid kasi ako, guys. Pati ikaw, diba, di? Pati si Ren, laking bukid yan. So sanay po kami ni Ren sa ganitong buhay.
Sanay akong maggatong ng kahoy. Diyan kami nagluluto dati.
Kami din.
Yung bata ako.
May ano pa nga kami yung pang-ihip, yung tubo.
Kalandi kahoy yung pinagsasainan.
Kami din, sanay ako. Sanay din ako magsaing sa kahoy. Sanay akong mag-is-is ng kaldero. Tapos ang pang-is-is namin ng kaldero di bareta at saka yung hindi abo. Merong puno na ano, yung magaspang yung dahon. Yun ang aming pang kiskis ng kaldero. Morning, guys. It's so windy today. woke up and I feel like I wanna go for a walk. This farm in Hindmarsh Valley isn't just a place to sleep. It's a place that teaches you to slow down, reconnect, and appreciate the beauty of simple living. Because at the end of the day, that's the real luxury: peace of mind and gratitude.